channel. Today topic is Hyderabad Metro Part 2. May 2018, L&T Metro Rail signed contract with the Power Grid Corporation India. Install electric vehicle charging facility at all metro stations beginning with Miapur, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Balnagar station. L&T HMRL has set up free Wi-Fi access unit for commutator to Miapur, Amirpet and Nahol metro station. Association with the ACT Fiber, part of pilot project Metro Rail Phase 2 expansion plan about 85 km 53 mi. April 2019, KT Ramarao said that 200 km 120 mi Metro Rail was planned for Hyderabad and metro along with the entire outer ring road. All metro corridors scheduled terminate Shamshabad near Rajiv Gandhi International Airport planned in Hyderabad Metro Rail Phase 2. August 2019, KT Ramarao said that state cabinet has approved Hyderabad Metro Airport Express link from Rider Crew Airport. Current station line first operation, last extension station, length terminal average frequency minutes. Red 29 November 2017, 24 September 2018, 27 29.21 km 18.15 mi. Miapur to LP Nagar 4.5 minutes. Peak hour 7 minutes non-peak hour. Blue 29 November 2019, 23 27 km 17 mi. Rider Co Nahol. Green 7 February 2020, yet to start construction 11 km 6.8 mi. JPS BG MGPS 5967.21 km 4.176 mi. Line since first version plan 3 corridor mostly remained same but mirror include lack of start Lalaguda at stop at lactic couple insert secretariat also. Line have been marked with the several different combination color. Amirpet LB Nagar metro stretch opened by 24 September 2008. High tech city to rider 1.5 km 0.93 mi. Stretch on corridor 3 Nahol rider opened by 29 November 2019. Involved construction 49 pillar rider terminal station. Headline Miapur to LB Nagar. Route line 29.21 km 18.15 mi. Number of station all elevated. 27 link to other corridor. At Amirpet connecting corridor 1 and 3. At Mahatma Gandhi bus station to connecting corridor 1 and 2. Station name open connection alignment. 1 Miapur November 29 2017 non elevated. 2 JNT College November 29 2017 non elevated. 3 HPHB Colony November 29 2017 non elevated. 4 Kugatpalli November 29 2017 non elevated. 5 Balnagar November 29 2017 non elevated. 6 Musapet November 29 2017 non elevated. 7 Bharat Nagar November 29 2017 non elevated. Yeragadda November 29 2017 non elevated. 6 ESI Hospital November 29 2017 non elevated. 10 SR Nagar November 29 2017 non elevated. 11 Amirpet November 29 2017 blue line elevated. 12 Panjaguda September 24 2019 non elevated. 30 Mansfield September 24 2018 non elevated. 40 Kairadabad September 24 2018 non elevated. 15 Lakti Kapur September 24 2018 non elevated. 16 Assembly September 24 2018 non elevated. 17 Nampalli September 24 2018 non elevated. 18 Gandhi Bhavan September 24 2018 non elevated. 19 Usmania Medical College September 24 2018 non elevated. 20 MG First Station September 24 2018 Green Line elevated. 21 Malakpet September 24 2018 non elevated. 22 New Market September 24 2018 non elevated. 20 Musharrambagh September 24 2018 9 elevated. 24 Dilshuk Nagar September 24 2018 non elevated. 25 Chaitanyapuri September 24 2018 non elevated. 26 Victoria Memorial September 24 2018 non elevated. 27 LB Nagar September 2018 24 non elevated. Green line JPS Falaknama route line 15 km 9.3 mi. Number of station all elevated 16. Link to other corridor at Mahatma Gandhi bus station connecting corridor 2 and 1. Station name open connection alignment. JPS Parade Ground February 7 2020 non elevated. Parade Ground February 7 2020 blue line elevated. Secunderabad West February 7 2020 non elevated. Gandhi Hospital February 7 2020 non non-elevated. Bashirabad, February 7, 2020, non-elevated. RTC Crossroad, February 7, 2020, non-elevated. Chikatpalli, February 7, 2020, non-elevated. Narayanaguda, February 7, 2020, non-elevated. Sultan Bazar, February 7, 2020, non-elevated. MG First Station, February 7, 2020, Red Line elevated. Kalajang Museum, TPN non-elevated. Charminar, TPN non-elevated. Shah Ali Bandar, TPN non-elevated. Jargan, TPN non-elevated. Gameda, TPN non-elevated. Falaknuma, TPN non-elevated. Blue Line direct to Nahol. Route lane 27 km, 70 mi. Number of station all elevated. 23 linked to other corridor. At Amirpet connecting corridor 3 and 1. At Parade Ground connecting corridor 3 and 2. Station name open connection alignment. Rider November 29, 2019, non-elevated. 2 High-Tech City March 20, 2019, non-elevated. 3 Nargam Jeruvu March 20, 2019, non-elevated. 4 Madapur April 13, 2019, non-elevated. 5 Bedama Gudi March 30, 2019, non-elevated. 6 Jubilee Hills Checkpoint May 18, 2019, non-elevated. 7 Jubilee Hills Road number 5 March 20, 2019, non-elevated. 8 Pusapguda March 20, 2019, non-elevated. 9 Madapur Nagar March 20, 2019, non-elevated. 10 Amirpet November 29, 2019, Red Line elevated. 11 Begumpet November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 12 Prakash Nagar November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 3rd Rasalpura November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 14 Paradise November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 15 Parade Ground November 29, 2017, Green Line elevated. 16 Secunderabad East November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 7 Metugada November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 18 Karnaka November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 19 Habsiguda November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 20 NGRA November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 29 Stadium November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 22 Uppal November 29, 2017, non-elevated. 23 Nagol November 29, 2017, non-elevated. Finance Hyderabad Metro is public-private partnership project. Total cost this transport system $3.07 billion. Each is the share by L&T 90%, Government of Telangana 10%. July 2022, L&T Metro Hyderabad Limited came up with the unique concept of office bubble wherein it will offer remote co-working space as part of transit-oriented development TOD. The L&T Hyderabad Metro organization offering 1,750 square feet space with 2 unit each, 49 metro station across 3 corridors and another 5,000 to 30,000 square feet, 8 other metro station focusing on IT companies, officer bubbles and concept of offer spoke hub district paradigm. Hyderabad Metro 40% retail space was sold even before metro station was bullied to generate non-fare revenue. L&T MRHL bullied real estate project like Next Galleria Mall in Banjagada, Hiram Manzil, High-Tech City and Muzarambag with Skywalk. Generation non-fare revenue under transit orient development. TOD Hyderabad Metro started semi-naming policy. Metro station awarded by through on open e-tendering process. Generate non-fare revenue. Deposit Hyderabad Metro has currently has 2 operational depots. Miapur and Uppal depot in land 100 acre each. The proposed Falkanama depot will be constructed in 17 acre. Hyderabad Metro depots line number, line name, number of depots, location, opening date 1 Red Line 1 Miapur depot near Elvarit Temple, Nedagada Tenta, Miapur, Hyderabad, Telangana, 28 November 2017. 2 Blue Line 1 Uppal Metro Depot, Nagol Road, Lakshmi Narayan Nagar Colony, Uppal, Hyderabad, Telangana, 28 November 2017. 3 Green Line 1 Falaknuma, 8 February 2020. Ridership Metro has opened overwhelming response with over 2 lakh people using in a day. 1 on first Sunday operation Metro was used by 2,40,000 people as the 2020 daily ridership about 4,90,000, although were the hiccups beginning the operation 2017 meager ridership of 1 lakh per day. Opening new line to LB Nagar and High-Tech City 2018 to 19 ridership has surged, reached milestone from 2 to 4 lakh, very short duration. Train are initially being operated at a frequency 3 minute very peak hour and every 5 minute peak hour between Miapur to LB Nagar and 4 minute in peak hour between High-Tech City to Amirpet Nahol through maximum achievable frequency every 90 seconds. Similarly, 3 car train are being used currently through the plan to use 6 car train future. 2017 December Hyderabad Metro Rail launched mobile app app, T-Savari, Hyderabad Metro timing available on T-Savari app, Ola Cab and Uber tied up the service with app. May 2022, Hyderabad Metro Managing Director NVS Reddy ruled out possibility and attaching one single double coach to three coach train sets. Three coach train can take between 900 to 1000 passengers per trip. The project has been envisaged in such manner another 3 coach set rack can be attached, make them 2 into 6 coach train with the station depot 2 already planned increased length of train. Metro Rail L&T has been using 53 set of 3 coaches each with 4 3 coaches set under the repair or maintenance undertaking using special software based on Internet of Things IoT. Hyderabad Metro Rail crossed 100 million cumulative ridership milestone in just 671 days. February 2023, Hyderabad Metro announced folding cycle or fold on the metro which were size of 40 kg bag but the only touring non-peak hours. Last mile connectivity order to enhance first and last mile connectivity. Hyderabad Metro Rail FIDA offers service via robust AI enabled tech platform which is provide booking for feeder vehicles. FIDA Mobility PV lead L&T MRHR authorized feeder service provider since 2019. First and last mile connectivity routes of across 7 metro stations, Rider, Parade Ground, Metagada, LB Nagar, Uppal, KPHP, Miapur using e-autos and Tata Wings. On 21 April 2022, Hyderabad Metro launched its electric auto service collaboration with the AI-enabled ride-hailing mobility platform Metro Ride. The service were launched 2 metro stations, Parade Ground to Rider Country Station. Cost, initial official estimated cost 72 km long metro project to 14,132 crore rupees, $1.8 billion. State government decided to bear 10% it, while L&T was to bear the remaining 90% of cost. The construction work with supposed commenced 3 March 2011, commenced in 2012. In March 2020, 50 head center, operation control center and depot are constructed at the Uppal at same place. Flyover, underpass and metro has been constructed and some places as part of strategic road development plan. CPDC technology. At the end of 2012, L&T Metro Rail award is 7.4 billion rupees, $134 M. Contract to be provide CPDC integrated telecommunication supervision system all 3 lanes. Thales Group separate TRAC communicate based train control CPDC technology and train initially run automatic train operation mode with minimum headway 90 seconds. Although system will be support eventually migration unattended train operation. Rolling stock on 12 September 2012, L&T Metro Rail Hyderabad lead LTM RHS Alonso has awarded tender of supply rolling stock to Hyundai Rotem 18 billion rupees, $230 million. Tender to be 57 train consisting 171 car which will be delivered by phase at least 9 months before commencement each stage. On 2 October 2013, LTM RHS unveiled train car Hyderabad Metro model coach with half of size actual coach was public display Necklace Road on the bank Hussain Sagar's Ghat of Hyderabad. Train will be 3.2 mm wide and 4 mm high. There will be 4 doors on each side each coach. On 10 April 2014, first metro train HMR rolled out. Hyundai Rotem factory at Changwon, South Korea reached Hyderabad in May 2014. 31 December 2014, Hyderabad Metro Rail successfully connected train run automatic train operation ATO mode with the first between Nahol and Metagada. February 2022, Hyderabad Metro become India's first metro rail introduced ocean-based sanitation train coaches. Hyderabad Metro racks regenerative power and using regenerative braking system. Ticketing and recharge. L&T Hyderabad project has automated ticketing system with features such as contactless smart card based ticketing, slim automatic gate, payment by cash and debit card, passenger operated ticket vending machine and provision common ticketing system. It also has provision NFC based technology to enable usage mobile phone and fare media high performance machine to avoid long queues. And Hyderabad Metro Rail Smart Card acts as virtual wallet with the facility seamless travel. Smart card can be purchased from ticketing office at any Hyderabad metro station through the T-Savari app. Smart card can be recharged minimum amount 50 rupees, maximum amount 3000 rupees. Smart card can be recharged through the T-Savari app, HMR passenger website www.itmetro.com. Payment of other 10% discount on all trips made by through smart card. December 2019, Hyderabad Metro started cashless QR quick response code payment option with e-ticket through Make My Trip. And Before October 2022, Hyderabad Metro become first metro rail country launch end-to-end fully digital payment enabled metro ticket booking through the WhatsApp e-ticketing facility. Samsung Data System India subsidiary South Korean firm Samsung has been awarded automatic fare collection system package L&T Metro Rail project. Package involves design, manufacture, supply, installation, testing, commissioning system. Official ticket price were announced 25 November 2017. Fare 10 rupees up to 2 km. Slab distance kilometer metro fare 0 to 2 km 10 rupees. 2 to 4 km 15 rupees. 3 4 to 6 km 25 rupees. 4 6 to 8 km 30 rupees. 8 to 10 km 35 rupees. 10 to 14 km 40 rupees. 14 to 18 km 45 rupees. 18 to 22 50 rupees. 22 to 26 55 rupees. Greater than 26 60 rupees. Award and nomination. HMR project was showcased one of the top 100 strategic global infrastructure project Global Infrastructure Leadership Forum held in New York during February-March 2013. L&T Metro Rail Project Limited LTMRH was conferred SAP AC Award 2015 Strategic HR and Talent Management category. 2018 Salpura, Paradise and Prakash Nagar Metro Station were awarded Indian Green Building Council IGBC Green MRTS Platinum Award. Hyderabad Metro was adjusted Best Urban Mass Transit Project by Government of India November 2018. October 2022 3 metro station Hyderabad Metro Cheru, Banjakatta and LB Nagar were awarded Indian Green Building Council IGBC Green MRTS certification with the highest platinum rating under elevated station category with the Hyderabad Metro Rail has 23 metro stations certified with IGBC platinum rating.